Today we're going to be taking a look at this 8-inch smart screen from Lamtto. Now you can put this in your car, connect your Apple iPhone to it, and it's going to work with Apple Carplay. Now it does have touchscreen, voice control, different ways you can connect audio, and you can even pull up, take a break, and watch some videos with this. We're going to get this open, we're going to check out what comes in, we're going to install it in my older car that doesn't have a screen, and we're going to test out some features. So let's go. You do have a couple of different ways you can connect it. The first way is this one that connects onto your dash and you lock it down and then you hang the screen on it. So this is the second mounting option. This just clips in on your air vent and this is really strong. Magnetically attaches and that will hold perfectly strong. And the great thing is you could have both set up at the same time and you can always use this as a phone holder. You do just plug in the USB-C and the auxiliary cable if you want the audio to come to your stereo, and then you hang it. Take that protective little screen off. Looks nice. On first setup, you will choose your language, and then you do have options on connectivity. Okay, so now as you can see, we do have the screen set up and it is completely touchscreen. So if I want to switch to my music or the maps, I want to go back to the main screen for Apple Play. With all my apps, I got them all over here. I don't have a second screen to check out, but if you could just completely swipe. I could head to podcasts, loads up. I could head to my phone, messages, anything that works on Apple CarPlay is gonna work on this. So this is perfect for alternative where you don't have your stereo that works anymore, because this can actually put out its own sound and own audio, so you can play all your music, your GPS, everything off of this. Unfortunately, my car, the stereo doesn't work anymore, and that's what's perfect about this. Or you can have the auxiliary cable plugged into your auxiliary cable in, then you can use that to play the music that's being played on this through your whole car stereo.
Turn left onto East Earl Drive, then turn right to stay on East Earl Drive. Head north on North 19th Street toward East Cherry Lynn Road, then turn left onto East Cherry Lynn Road. Turn left on East Cherry Lynn Road.
So we do have a couple of different connectivity options here. We can do CarPlay, Android Auto. We have AirPlay. So AirPlay is going to mirror your phone screen. So this is perfect for when you want to pull over and take a break.
I spotted this rare Pokeball replica at a collectible show with a $600 price tag on it, but I knew I had to pick it up.
You can watch short form content on a vertical format, or you can switch the screen to horizontal and watch something like a movie, anything that you want to relax and take a break while not driving. If you are interested in the smart screen from Lamtto, we are going to leave a link in the description below. Please share this with a friend, comment what your favorite feature was, hit that like button, and of course hit subscribe for more great reviews like this.